Solve by quadratic formula. So our example, x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. The quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the value for a is 1 and the value for b is negative 1 and the value for c is negative 20. So we will plug in all the values of a, b, and c in the formula. So x equals, the value for b is negative 1, negative 1, then plus and minus square root of, the value for b again is negative 1, and then square minus 4 times a is 1, and the value for c is negative 20. Over 2 times the value for a is 1. Then we will simplify. X equals, negative times negative 1 is positive 1, then plus and minus square root of, negative 1 squared is positive 1, then negative 4 times 1 times negative 20 is positive 80. Positive 80, because negative 4 times negative 20 is positive 80 over 2 times 1 is 2. Then 1 plus and minus the square root of 1 plus 80 is square root of 81 over 2. So 1 plus and minus the square root of 81 is 9 over 2. Then we have x sub 1 equals 1 using the positive sign plus 9 over 2. So 1 plus 9 is 10 over 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is the answer. Then the next solution is using the negative sign, 1 minus 9 over 2. So 1 minus 9 is negative 8 over 2. And negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And this is the answer.